Another 2 years has passed wherein Filipino-Chinese Bakery Association Incorporated met face-to-face with success. Another 2 years wherein this organization took a big step into the advancing world of the industry. Another 2 years of expansion and reaching more bakers. Another 2 years of paving the way to success for the younger generations and all of those who are striving to keep the industry alive. And these were the years that FCBAI was led by Mr. Bien Enrico Ah. Inducted and seated as the president on 22nd of January 2016, Bien Enrico Ah participated and initiated projects within and outside the country. The first event during his presidency, in fact, was held in Taiwan, the venue of the Taipei International Bakery Show 2016. Here, Sir Bien not only brought with him the Philippine team who won 3rd place, but his credibility also placed him among the panel of judges. This first time led to many other similar opportunities. It was during these projects and events that Mr. Bien Enrico Ah wasted no time in establishing strong connections with other passionate leaders and members of the bakery industry from different parts of the globe until they too come to visit his own. Presented with such opportunities, Mr. Bien Enrico Ah provided with what his very vision and mission as President are, launched several projects to promote continuous learning in the industry. He initiated seminars and classes that he has believed were helpful for the growth of his passionate colleagues and members, not only to be better bakers and pastry masters, but into becoming leaders and businessmen as well. Different seminars and classes were held for the interests and improvement of these people. Some open to the public, some were even offered for free. With talented local and foreign instructors and speakers, credible and known in their respective fields, these projects had undoubtedly succeeded in meeting its goals. So did Mr. Bien Enrico Ah and this association he proudly led. It was also part of President Bien Enrico's duties to continue regular, if not annual, celebrations and projects of the organization. And that includes the Bakery Fair. Mr. Bien Enrico Ah executed this annual event twice during his term, and both times he went the extra mile as he also successfully revived what was almost a forgotten tradition, the Mooncake Festival. The welcoming of the FCBAI's 50th year falls during the onset of Mr. Bien Enrico's term. Thus, a glorious golden celebration. While it cannot be denied that the spirit of fellowship was stirred once again during this special event, the celebration and the unity of everyone do not end there. FCBAI share their success of 50 years through fulfillment of socio-civic activities. Driven by dedication. Driven by passion. President Bien Enrico Ah was also able to re-establish a more advanced facility with a greater vision and a stronger mission. The inauguration day was also part of the Golden Anniversary celebration and President Bien Enrico's term. It was during this day that he revealed what he had invested in the most. For his colleagues, for his members, for his co-enthusiasts, for the younger generations, and most of all, the industry. The position of FCBAI and the situation of the baking industry today are evidences of FCBAI's success and Mr. Bien Enrico Ah's perseverance, dedication, and passion. And this is also why the association has grown in number of members and is continuously making a name locally and worldwide. Success has been the goal, and the goal has been met, and we continue to strive for it, for them and because of them. Thank you for supporting and believing in Mr. Bien Enrico Ah. Thank you for making it happen.